All right. Howdy guys, this is Pastor Scott Cooper giving a video tutorial about how to log in and sign up, or I should say register for Cedar Canyon Camp and Retreat Center's Camp Nova for the 2024 season. Alrighty guys, from the link that I sent, the cdcanyon.campbrainregistration.com, it will send you to this page. I'm showing these two options here. I'm already signed up, so I'm not a new user. If you are new to this, it's a pretty simple, standard, paperless is what they're hoping for, paperless way of signing into their system, and year after year they will use this system to maintain their paperless route. So all you got to do is create an account, put in information, and then it'll log you in. For me or any returning users, all we got to do is sign in. I put my email, my password. Yes, yep, I typed all that in right. And so we will continue going. What we're going to do is we're going to go to not this, but this one right here, 2024 Seated Camps and Events. I spoke with Marissa, who is the director of the campground, not the camp, that if you do not see any of these camps, all you'll have to do is we'll go back to people, which will be the first part. Make sure that you are signing up your child and not yourself. The way that works is this is Scott Cooper child as the example, where male, type in grade. If I put in adult and hit continue, Camp Nova would not show up because that would tell the system, this is an adult looking for adult camps. But if you type in a grade level, it will tell the system, this is a student looking to be signed up for one of the camps. So in that you can see that I have my cart already filled up. That's because it remembered me from my first run through before I started this video. But if yours is empty, don't worry, we'll fill that up here in a second. You can continue to add children, or if there are any parents who are like, you know what, I want a week-long mission trip to Camp Nova, you can sign yourself up as well. But I would recommend, if you were signing up, if any parents are wanting to sign up, message me. There's a separate login for that because we can take you guys as volunteers, I believe. All right, cool. So we continue. Got different camps here that they're doing. We will click on Camp Nova 7th through 12th. Hit continue. That will go straight into our cart summary that's right here on the right. And now we get to our 3 forms. The parental guardian form is pretty easy. It's just a one-click check saying, yes, I am the guardian who is filling out this registration form. The additional camper information is pretty cool. Last year, this was a game changer for not just our camp experience, but also our youth group going to camp, then coming back. We took, I think, 12, maybe less, youth to camp last year. And because they chose each other as roommates, they got to bond like never before, mission trip style, at camp, because they got to live with one another for 1 week under the supervision of several different Christian leaders. And whenever they came back, given that fellowship that happened on top of the shared experience, so many things that God was doing. I mean, it's the reason why we had a worship team that started up. We have a youth worship team now. It's super grassroots, but man, that wasn't there before. It's the reason why a week after church camp, I believe, within that next month, our youth planned something and they went to go roller skating. Oh my gosh, they hadn't done that in a year, and boom, after church camp, they wanted to be around each other. This year, we are scheduled to take even more youth to church camp, so our hope is that, man, year after year, the goodness of God that happens at that 1 week of like tithing, giving God this time and energy and effort and all of this, oh gosh, it is so worth all of that effort because of the dividends, what we get back within that year after they come back from church camp. And so this is just the page where you can type in what roommate you want or who you'd like, how you heard about Cedar Canyon, how your camper is going to get home, put in full scholarship because of how we're doing the payment method. I'll get to that in a second. What county, and then your ethnicity. They try to get grants for anybody that's needing them. And then you hit complete. After that, we'll go to household form. And once again, this is all tutorial, so you're going to see my name a lot. I am my own parental guardian. Put family information of the parents. It's like your marital status, family status, mailing address. There's a secondary home, mailing address to that, emergency contact. And now, I don't know why with mine it filled in a whole bunch of weird stuff. I'll have to look at my profile and why I had these autofills. But for the church your camper is coming with, basically, or is attending camp through, put Amarillo Pathpoint Fellowship Church. If you look for Pathpoint, you won't be able to find it. They typed us in as Amarillo Pathpoint, and then the billing church will also be Amarillo Pathpoint Church. Church contact will be Pastor Scott Cooper and then Pastor Macy, since we deal with the youngins. And then you'll hit complete. Once that is done, we've done household, additional camper, and then parental guardian. The last big one will be payment, and it will do my church will pay the $380. So the way that this will work is year after year, the way that we like to do things, because we add in finances, we try to do bake sale, we try to help those who are going and those who are paying for those who are going. We try to help them out financially, and so that is why our people deal with us, the church, and then the church deals with the camp. That way, us being the middleman, we can help subsidize costs with fundraisers and stuff. So you pay us so that we can fill in any gaps to then pay the camp, and then the camp receives the 380. And so that's our hope again this year. It worked pretty well last year, and we're hoping for even more this year. Last year, our parents paid on average, I looked everything up and average, did math, and they paid about $200, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. We're hoping for even more fundraising this year so that we can drop that cost per household even more. We'll continue after that. It will take us to the review, which just shows, hey, this is what you've done and the information you've given, and then you'll hit click submit, and that will be done. And guys, this concludes our video tutorial for how to sign up for camp. If you guys have any more questions, you get stuck on a part, please let me know. We'll FaceTime, we'll figure it out, and I look forward to this year, guys. Bye-bye.